Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so recently I received a very super cool product from Snana brand. Okay, so here is Snana carrot hemp seed age delaying face oil. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's really nice and like look at it. So there is a dropper available. You need to open the cap of this product and then you'll get the dropper here. So I really liked using it on my face on like a daily skincare routine. Okay, so let's just talk about the ingredients that are present in this oil. There is jojoba oil, cucumber seed oil, almond oil, hemp seed oil, carrot seed oil, and essential oils of frankincense, neroli, and rosemary. So this product is a really great facial oil because it will help you like rejuvenate your skin, give it that natural pump and flush. Okay, so I have been using this for a week or so and I can see the difference already. Wrinkles have reduced a little bit, not that much, but after I use it for a longer period of time I would definitely see some changes. And other than that, this smells so heavenly. I feel like that I am in the forest or something, and I really like to apply this on my face. And it's a very thin consistency. They don't have any chemicals present in them. Other than that, all of these oils are like naturally made, naturally sourced. Okay, no sort of any hidden particles are present in this product. So in comparison to other brands, I really like this product because it's super affordable and it's actually worth it. Like when you buy this product now, it will change your daily skincare routine. You can just apply it after you take a bath. Just take 2-3 drops in your hand, like gently rub them and apply it on your face in circular motions. Okay, just leave it there for some time and it will absorb into your skin like magic. It's 100% made in India, and other than that, all the ingredients which are in it are according to your skin type and your age group. Okay, so the products are being manufactured according to different ages and different skin categories available in India. Okay, so the brand also has its own distillery where they make their herb waters such as rose, lavender, and vetiver. Okay, so even I don't know much about these things, but when a brand is owning their own distillery and producing their own products and everything is 100% natural, why not give it a try? Because this product is really amazing and it will literally change your skincare routine and your skin type. All sorts of allergies were taken into consideration while creating this product, and other than that, this brand locally sourced all the ingredients from local farmers because they want it fresh and effectful, not any sort of chemicals involved in them. And other than that, they are 100% eco-friendly because they don't use any sort of plastic. Even the bottle is glass, as you can hear it. So this product is made for even kids and even adults. So they also make products which can be eaten, as they all are edible and they will actually help you out in cleaning your uh, immune system and like getting a healthier lifestyle. And you can they also sell other sort of wellness and skincare products, so I'll provide the link down in the description box. Okay, so you can check this product out. And other than that, do let me know what you think of this product also down in the comment section. Okay, because this is a really must try product and everybody needs to try this real quick. Okay, Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and do follow me, do subscribe to this channel if you want to know more such testimonial videos where I try different products and do makeup tutorials and other things as well. Okay, do let me know what sort of content do you like as well down in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.